How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's David. We're back doing stuff in the garage. I lost track of where I was going with this. Today, we're installing the turbo in the Miata again. Pulled it out. As I was telling you guys, we had a stud that was broken right here. We extracted this and I put in a new one, cleaned it up, and anyway. So now it's time to put it all back together. But I'm not going to show you guys how to do that. Like, it's a turbo install. There's about 1 million of them on the YouTube channels. I'm actually going to time myself to see how fast I can actually get this car from its current state, which doesn't have a turbo into it. So I'm going to time myself to see how fast we can go from this, where there's nothing in it, to a car that has everything in it, refill the coolant, maybe even burp the coolant, and start the car and actually let it get back up to temps and do its thing, because it's been a few weeks since this has been started. I miss it. I'll let you guys hear it. But I'm just curious as to how fast I can actually get this from not running to turbo in it and like basically ready to start, with maybe the exception of filling the coolant, because, well, that's something we got to do no matter what, and I can't really change the time on that one. With that being said, I'm going to start there with today's video. It may not be a super long video because I'm tired. It's been a long day. I've got other things to do today, and I want to get this done because I'm tired of my turbo sitting on my workbench. It's been literally just sitting here like all like decked out with junk and like ready to install for like a couple weeks now, or like a week now. I'm kind of tired of it. So anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna throw you on a tripod and we're gonna get started. And right now. There we go. So it's officially been 40 minutes. I struggled really badly with the bolt down there. And let's get back to work. So it took me like 20 minutes. I never stopped the timer. Just letting you know, I'm being truthful. Okay, I'm cutting it here. 43 minutes. I spent 20 minutes just trying to get into the bottom bolt. I don't know if the threads are messed up or not. Pulling the turbo off to find out seems like a better strategy than trying to force it on. Okay, so wasted 20 something minutes trying to get that back bottom right bolt on the turbo into the manifold. I'm gonna start the timer over because I finally got it started threading. So, or not started over, but continue it. So this is going to be a longer turbo install than it normally is. Okay, I did something really dumb. Forgot to put the gasket on a gasket that goes from the turbo to the downpipe, like a dummy, and now I got to take the turbo back off to put this back in. So I'm not going to bother timing it because I've already hosed myself about 1 million times over. So whatever, we're gonna get a turbo install. Maybe we'll get a startup, bleed it. You guys can actually hear the car for once, because I never actually turn it on. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so just got back from Costco. Just had to kind of take a break and get away from this nonsense. Sometimes when you're just having bad luck, which kind of happened to me, forgot the gasket, had to pull it all apart, couldn't get the one bolt, yada yada, or the one nut, and I was just having bad luck. I was getting really frustrated, so I just took a break, went down to Costco, did a little bit of grocery shopping, came back, got some chicken nuggets. Super excited about that. Chicken nuggets are dope. Anyway, so just a quick update. I did this off camera. I got the 5 bolts for the downpipe started, so now they're not too bad. I just got to get these 4 bolts on. All the manifold is bolted onto the head, and then it's just plumbing, which isn't really all that hard. Actually, that's all the easy stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna throw you on a camera. I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this. Shouldn't take too much longer. And I think that the last thing to do would be underneath the car, and that's just hooking up the exhaust and the coolant in. So I will check back in once it's all done.
Ryan Little.
Finished up putting the turbo install. I'm sorry if the footage on this was just kind of choppy today. It was not a good day for me. Had lots of struggles today. Let's see here. Forgot to put the gasket in. Really struggled with the nut on the bottom side that mounts the turbo to the manifold. Really struggled with that. Like was gonna pull the turbo out and see if I had to clean up the threads or anything. But it took me like 3 hours to do this all, which is really, really sad because normally I can put this thing in about 30 minutes, which kind of figured it was going to be, and then I was going to be like, hey, look, I did it in 30 minutes, but nope, can't even say that. Maybe next time we'll do that. So anyway, I'm going to start the car now, let it bleed the coolant, and I'm going to let you guys hear it. I never actually let you guys hear it. But otherwise, I'm going to roll. That's it for today. I'm going to show you guys startup and bleeding of this, and then I'm going to end the video. But that's it for today. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you guys made it this far, you're the true hero, because I know this video was probably really choppy, probably not the greatest. Leave a comment down below if you're interested in this video, or, you know, tell me what you like, tell me what you didn't like. And hopefully I can improve for you guys, because I'm having a lot of fun with this, even though I'm not great. So with that being said, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.